What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in a Note style design confirmed by case makers. Also the S Pen stylus is included. The question is, has Galaxy Note been cancelled? The cover maker has posted images of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. They make one wonder if Samsung really cancelled the Galaxy Note series. This time the combination of the two factors Galaxy Note line and Galaxy S line mixture beautiful cases surfaced on the network. Since last year, Galaxy Note users are eagerly waiting first for the next Galaxy Note 21 in last year. Now rumors changed the name to Galaxy Note 22 Ultra this year. And now insiders said that this is not happening anymore. I think we should not fed up until an official decision or announcement, because Samsung is not officially announced or confirmed the cancellation of the Galaxy Note 22 line. So, peace of mind. Come back to the main news. Very often, case manufacturers allow you to evaluate the design of upcoming smartphones several weeks or even months before the official announcement. Judging by the published images, the Samsung Galaxy S22 will borrow from the Galaxy Note series not only the stylus but also the appearance, with its S Pen support and more rectangular design. It feels like the South Korean company has actually cancelled the Galaxy S series and not the Galaxy Note line. But still, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra model appeared before us. The main thing that can be noted is the absence of the subscreen front camera and the main camera platform in the form of the letter P with a periscope telephoto lens. Note that the new images do not contradict the render that was posted by the OnLeaks Insider last month. As you can see in the video, these images also confirm that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will not only receive a stylus but the overall design of the Galaxy Note line, which is usually more rectangular than the flagships of the Galaxy S. In fact, we have the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra, but so far all data says that we will not see the name at the same time. Such a model will probably make the release of the Galaxy Note 22 meaningless, and Samsung will finally merge the two lines. And the first rumor about this appeared many years ago. The announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is scheduled for early 2022. As in two previous generations, the company, along with the main flagship, should present more modest models, the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.